Getting around by passenger boats on the Danube gives you an excellent sightseeing opportunity. The boats marked with the letter D and numbers like 2, 11, 12 and 14 are part of the Budapest public transport. During weekdays you can use them with your pass, which must be valid for at least 24 hours. Note that on the weekends you will need to pay to ride these boats even if you are a pass holder. A single ticket is 750 forints, which is around $2.5 American at the end of summer 2019. Both on the Buda and Pest sides there are stops by the most popular attractions like the Parliament by the Pest side or the Várkert Bazaar by the Buda side. Riding these passenger boats offers a great possibility to see the most beautiful parts of Budapest from the Danube. I would not say that these are the most comfortable boats, and they can also get crowded from time to time. Despite the fact that they are part of the public transport system of Budapest, locals rarely use them to move around the city since they are pretty slow. Have fun riding the passenger boats of Budapest and come back for more travel tips to bite-sized travel videos.